So, you contribute to the rebuilding.
Well, it's supposed to be a contribution, you know. You don't know the thing, though. Bulk of the work no leave for me. But I just saw the thing set, man. You don't know how I stay, you know?
True.
I have to help where I can help. You understand? Because it's nice if people don't live nowhere.
So, how much house actually get damaged?
About 5 of them, you know.
5?
Cha.
Hey, you know me really want to talk to you about this whole issue. We are going from 14 to 21.
Yeah. Well, you know me I hear 1 and 2 sound, King, man. I don't too sure what going on, you know. You don't know from what they are doing to in the place.
I know that. Well, let me give you a quick rundown upon what going on. From the other day, from 14 to 21, some apparently new faces. I say new faces because I know we don't have no latch for no exact face. But some people are moved through and some things are happening. Well, we can't understand. Then the other night, may you say, a big rifle by in a bus.
Well, no, I can't even tell you nothing about them faces, you know. You understand? But see, as it come to the rifle, them, my engine, them did a rev, man.
Oh, you're a soldier then.
But the thing that concern me, you know, King, is about these new faces that nobody can identify. I can't feel comfortable with that, you know. You understand? Because, you know, I don't like new faces from the beginning. See, I feel them are mobilizing the place so easily. It's a big concern to I.
Why, I share the sentiment in a fam. I know what the wickedest part of it for me is. We can't figure out which person on the ground these unknown forces are linked with. Because them, I feel linked with somebody on the ground, you know.
Yeah, King. It's a big concern for real. But don't want you rule out the political process you are going right now.
Church.
You understand? You can't rule that out. See? But, as we say, me just float in. Then time I say me settle down, man. And get some time to eat on the ground. We will find out that way. But anyway, you me ask you about it. You link the woman on the license thing for me.
Well, you want to see me did make an initial link, you know, and even set up an appointment. But within 2 weeks after I met the link, I find out that there was some disruption in the ministry. And it's almost like them ask this lady, you know, to step aside.
Jaja. I must say family to perish. Step aside. Boy, concerning to me too, you know, King, with this business. I can see this business. I invest a whole heap of money into merchandise and products toward this business, you know. See? So I want to put some gas on this thing, yeah. Find the link, find the relevant authorities, and see how we can get in at the thing. You understand? We don't eat no food off of ganja.
You get it right. I anxious to start make some money off of this thing. But guess what? You see this election, I make sure I am in constant dialogue with everyone. So it's when the dust settles, we go move in and get the relevant license and jump off. You see?
So,
But on another note, I really feel good because I am going to touch base with my soldier them now and make them put their mind at ease. And no say, you did have that rifle thing the way that one go over.
don't worry yourself, King, man. I saw it go. Sometimes the engines, they rev.
Which is right.
But chat to them, man. Let them know everything mellow, you know? Everything good. You understand? Them have nothing to worry about. rice and thing.